Very good afternoon, dear students. Today we are discussing about new topic is minor and cofactor and also adjointment of a matrix. First of all, we are discussing about minor. What is the meaning of the minor? Means minor of an element Aij of a determinant is obtained by deleting I rows and j columns, deleting ith rows and j column in which element is Aij. So minor of element Aij is denoted by Mij. What is the definition of the minor? Is minor of an element, minor of an element Aij of a determinant, it is determinant is obtained by deleting ith rows and j columns in which elements Aij. So minor of an element it is denoted by minor of an element Aij, it is denoted by Mij. So minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij. What is the meaning of the minor? Means minor of an element Aij of a determinant is obtained by deleting ith rows and j columns in which element is Aij. So minor of element it is denoted by Mij. For example, serious example, suppose if capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Find the minor of an element. Find the minor. So we need to calculate each element of the minor. Observe, dear students, what is the position of the element? This one, first row, first column. Observe, dear students, solution. If are given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand I am writing 1 present in the first row, first column, it is written by A11. So what is A11 value here? 1. Here 2 is a present in the first row, second column. Next 3 is a present in the second row, first column. 4 is present in the second row, second column. Now we need to calculate minor of A11, minor of A12, minor of 21, minor of 22. So what is the meaning of the minor situations? How to find the minor of this matrix means? So what is the formula? Minor of an minor of Aij is Mij. Formula is minor of Aij is Mij. First we need to calculate minor of A11. Minor of A11. It is denoted by M11 because of I is nothing but ith row, j is nothing but jth column. So dear students, A11 what is element here? 1 present in the first row and first columns are eliminated. What is the left of the elements here? 4. So M11 element is 4. Next we need to calculate minor of A12. So minor of A12. See here A12 element, what is A12? That element is 2. So minor of A12. In place of element, what is the element? 2. 2 present in the first or second columns of element. What is left of the elements here? 3. So M12 value is 3. Next we need to calculate minor of A21. Minor of A21. So minor of A21 it is denoted by M21 only. So M21 means A21 3 present in the first row, not first or second and first columns are eliminated. What is the left of the elements here? 2 is the left of the elements. M21 value is 2. Next we need to calculate minor of A22. So minor of A22. So minor of A22 is divided by M22. Observe dear students, in place of A22 what element is there? 4. 4% in the second row, second columns are eliminated. What is the left of the elements here? 1 is the left of the element. So minor of 1 value is 4, minor of 2 value is 3, minor of 3 value is 2, minor of 4 value is 1. So like that we need to calculate minor. See the one more example. If capital A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to calculate each every element of minor. First we need to calculate minor of 5. So minor of A11. A11 is in place of A11. What is there? 5 is there. That's why minor of 5 is equal to 5% in the first row. First columns are eliminated. So left of the element is 8. So minor of 5 element is 8. Next we need to calculate minor of 6. So minor of 6. So now 6% in the first row, second columns are eliminated. Left of the element is 7. So now minor of 6 value is 7. Next we need to calculate minor of 7. So minor of 7. So minor of 7% in the second row, first columns are eliminated. So left of the element is 6. So minor of 7 value is 6. Next we need to calculate minor of 8. So minor of 8. So minor of 8. So 8% in the second row, second column are eliminated. Left of the element is 5. So minor of 8 value is 5. So like that we need to calculate minor. Observe here students. Minor of an element Aij. Aij is nothing but A is given element. One is nothing but I cross. I have one. Next J is nothing but column. Thus we are taking first row, first column. So rows it is divided by I, columns it is divided by J. That's why we are taking condition minor of an element Aij is divided by Mij. So now here I means first row, J means first column. So I is divided by rows, J is divided by columns. That's why we need to calculate each every element of the minor. That's why first we need to calculate A11. A11 means what? First row, first column. First row, first one, what is the element here? 5. So how to find the element? Which element you are taking? That particular row, that particular column is eliminated. What is the left of the element? It is nothing but a minor of an element. This is the minor of the element Aij. So I think you understand how to find the minor. Very easy. We need to calculate each every element of the minor. Which minor we are taking? That particular row, that particular column eliminated. So what is the left of the element? It is nothing but a minor. I think you are understanding minor definition. See the second one is cofactor. So cofactor very easy. Cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Aij. Observe here student. Second one is cofactor. So what is the definition of the cofactor? Means cofactor of an element. Aij, it is denoted by capital Aij. Cofactor of element small aij, it is denoted by capital Aij. What is the formula of capital Aij? Means -1 whole to the power of ith row plus j column into minor means Mij. So Aij formula is -1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. Mij is nothing but minor of an element. So very simple. Minor of an element is denoted by capital Mij. So next cofactor of an element A is denoted by capital Aij. Aij form is -1 whole to the power of I plus j into mij. How to find a cofactor? See the example. Suppose if capital A is equal to A11, A12, A21, not A21, that is A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So find the cofactor. Means every element of the cofactor we need to calculate. That's why first we need to calculate cofactor of an element Aij. Means cofactor of an or cofactor of A11. Cofactor of A11. So cofactor of Ij formula is -1 whole to the power of I plus j into mij. So now each every element we need to calculate here, student. That's why we need to calculate cofactor of A11. A11 is equal to -1 whole to the power of, in place of I what is there, 1 is there. In place of j what is there, 1 is there. Mij. Which element you are taking, that particular row, that particular column is eliminated. So write as determinant of left of the element is A22, A23, A32, A33. After that applying the cross multiplication method. So 1 plus 1 2. So -1 power of any even number will get positive only. So we get this is product A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. Like that we need to calculate each element. We need to calculate cofactor of A11, cofactor of A12, cofactor of A13, cofactor of A21, cofactor of A22, cofactor of A23, cofactor of A31, cofactor of A32, cofactor of A33. We need to apply this formula. So this is the process of cofactor. So observe dear students, minor is nothing but minor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Mij. So what is the definition? Means the minor of an element A is nothing but deleting ith rows and jth columns. Deleting ith rows and jth columns. Then the remaining elements of determinant, it is called a minor. Very very simple. What is the definition of the minor? Means suppose you are taking capital A is equal to 1, 2, 6, 8. So find each every element of minor means minor of 1. So minor of 1. So 1 is nothing but 1 project the first row, first column. First row, first column it is written by A11. That's why you are taking A in place of A11. What is the element will be there? 1 is there. That's why you are taking minor of 1. So means, so what is the condition for the minor of an element Aij? Means deleting ith rows and jth columns. Deleting ith rows and jth columns. Then the remaining elements. It is called a minor. What is the remaining element here? 8 is the remaining element. So 8 is called a minor of 1. 8 is called a minor of 1. Like that, we need to calculate minor of 2. So minor of 2. So 2 present in the first row, second columns are deleted. Means deleting first row and second column. Then remaining elements of determinant is called a minor. What is the remaining element here? 6 is the remaining. So minor of 2 is 6. Next we need to calculate minor of 6. Minor of 6. Minor of 6. 6 present in the second row and first columns are deleting. Then the remaining element it is called minor. So what is the remaining element here? 2 is the remaining element. Next we need to calculate minor of 8. So minor of 8. So 8 present in the second row and second column means, so minor of 8 is deleting the second row and second column. Then remaining element it is called a remaining element, it is called a minor. So these are minor condition. Next, what is the cofactor? Cofactor of A11. What is the A11 in place of cofactor of 1 is nothing but minus 1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1. Why you are taking 1 plus 1 means 1 present in the first row. First row means 1. First column, that's why first column is 1. Mij. So M11 minor of 1, what is the value you are getting? 8. That's why plus minus 1 whole square, that value is 1. 1 into 8, 8. So cofactor of 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 1 into 8. Next we need to calculate cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2. So 2 present in the first column, not first column, first row and second column. That's I plus j. I is nothing but ith rows and j nothing but jth columns. That's why cofactor of Aij formula is minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into minor of Mij. That's why cofactor of 2. 2 present in the first row, second column. First row it is divided by 1, second column divided by 2. So cofactor of 2 we get minor of 2. What is the value we are getting? 6. So this value is minus 6 because of minus 1 over q value is negative 1. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Next we need to calculate cofactor of 6. Cofactor of 6. Observe here students, 6 present in the second row and first column. 6 present in the second row and first column. So what is the minor of 6? We get 2. That's why minor of 6 value is 2. So we get value is minus 2. Next, cofactor of 8. Cofactor of 8. So 8 present in the second row and second column. So Mij means minor of 8 element is 1. Minor of 8 element is 1. So finally we got 1. So the given square matrix, how to find the minor, how to find the cofactor. This is very easy. Minor of 1. So 1 present in the first row, first columns are deleted. So left of the element it is called a minor. So like that each element we need to calculate minor. After that, how to find the cofactor? Cofactor of 1 present in the which row, which column? First row and first column. Here rows it is divided by I, columns it is divided by z. That's why formula is cofactor of Aij is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into Mij. So now first element A11. A11 means first one. What is the element here? 1 is there. That's why cofactor of 1 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of 1 present in the first row, first column, minor of 1. M11 is nothing but M11. This is nothing but M12. This is nothing but M21. This is nothing but M22. That's why M11. What is the M11 value? We got 8. That's why we are taking 8. So minus 1 whole square, that value is 1. Positive 1. So positive 1 into 8 is 8. So like that we need to calculate minor and cofactor. I think you are understanding the minor and cofactor definition. Next we are discussing about adjointment of a square matrix. Adjointment of a square matrix. What is the definition of the adjointment of a square matrix? Means if A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix, then its adjointment of a transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing every element of A is Aij. See the dear students, what is the definition of the adjointment of a square matrix? Adjointment of a square matrix. Square matrix nothing but what? Number of rows into number of columns, then it is called a square matrix. So dear students, what is the definition of the adjointment of a square matrix? If if A square matrix, if A is there, if A is a square matrix, then its adjoint is the, if A is a square matrix, then its adjoint is the transpose of the matrix, obtained by replacing each every element of Aij. It's so obtained by replacing each every element of capital A by its, not A, each every element of capital A, it's by Aij. It's by Aij. So adjointment, it is denoted by only shortcut name is adjointment A. So adjoint, it is denoted by adjointment of A. So each every element of A by its cofactor of Aij. It's cofactor of Aij. What is the definition of the adjointment of matrix? If a square matrix, then its adjointment is the transpose of the matrix obtained by each every element of Aij is the cofactor of Aij. So according to definition, see the example. If capital A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Observe dear friends, then adjointment of A. So what is the definition of the adjointment of A? Means if A is a square matrix or not, 3 rows and 3 columns. That's why if A is the square matrix, then its adjointment is the transpose of the adjointment of A is the transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing each every element of A is by cofactor of A. It means A11 replaced by cofactor of A11. So A12 replaced by cofactor of A12. A13 replaced by cofactor of A13. So A21 replacing by cofactor of A21. So A22 replacing by cofactor of A22. A23 replacing by cofactor of A23. So A31 replaced by cofactor of capital A31. A32 cofactor of A32 replaced by cofactor of capital A32. So A33 replaced by cofactor of A33. So if A is a square matrix, then adjointment of A is a transpose of the matrix. Each every element of Aij, each every element of A replacing each every element of A by cofactor of Aij. Now transpose of the matrix nothing but interchanging the rows and columns. That's why we are interchanging rows and columns. First row replaced with the first column. So second row replaced with the second column. Third row replaced with the third column. So A31, A32, A3. This is the adjoint. So first of all, what is the given matrix mean? How to find the adjointment of A means if A is a square matrix, then adjointment of A is transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing each every element of A by its cofactor of A11. So definitely we need to calculate cofactor of each every element. We need to calculate each every element of cofactor after the substitute in the adjointment of A formula. After that we need to calculate transpose of the A matrix. See the one example. Example here, students. If capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Find the adjointment of A. First we need to calculate cofactors element. That's why what is the formula for cofactor of Aij is divided by capital Aij. So I is nothing but row, J is nothing but column. That's why 1 present in the first row, first column. That's why cofactor of 1 because of A11. Because of A11 means in place of A11 what is there? 1 is there. So Aij is equal to -1 whole to the power of I plus A into Mij. The formula is cofactor of A is divided by capital Aij. Capital Aij form is -1 whole to the power of I plus A into Mij. So now cofactor of 1. So 1 present in the which column? First row, first column. 1 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. So left of the element is called minor. So what is the left of the element here? 5. So 5. So now 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is what? 5. Next we need to calculate cofactor of 2. So 2 present in the first row, second column. So deleting the first row and second column. So left of the element is called minor. What is the left of the element here? 3. So -1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2 means 1 plus 2 3. So -1 whole cube value is -1 into 3. So that value is -3. Next we need to calculate cofactor of 3. So we need to calculate each every element of cofactor. That's why we are calculating cofactor of 3. 3 present in the second row, first column. So now 3 present in the second row and first columns are eliminated. Left of the element is called minor. What is minor of element here? 2 is the minor of element. -1 whole cube value is -1 into 2, -2. Next we need to calculate cofactor of 5. So 5 present in the second row, second column. So 5 present in the second row, second columns are eliminated. So left of the element is 1. So -1 whole to the power of 4 value is +1 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So we got a cofactor of each every element. Now substitute the formula. So adjointment of A is called write as cofactor of an element. Cofactor of 1, what is the value we are getting? 5. Next cofactor of 2 we are getting -3. Cofactor of 3 we are getting -2. Next cofactor of 5 we are getting 1. So transpose of the matrix. The dear friends, if A is a square matrix, then its adjointment of A is transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing every element of A. By its cofactor. That's why transpose of the matrix replacing by every element of the cofactor. So cofactor of 1 value is what? 5. Cofactor of 2 value is -3. Cofactor of 3 value is -2. Cofactor of 5 element is 1. So next we need to calculate transpose of the matrix, interchanging rows and columns. So first interchanging first column, second interchanging second column. So this is the adjointment of A. I think everyone understanding this concept. Very very simple. Minor means what? Deleting the ith rows and j columns. Then it's remaining the elements of determinant. It is called minor. Cofactor is nothing but cofactor of an element aij is divided by capital Aij is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of I plus j into minor of mij. Next, what is the definition of the adjointment of square matrix? Means if A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix, so then its adjointment is transpose of the matrix obtained by adjointment of A is transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing each every element of A, replacing each every element of A by its cofactor of Aij. So adjointment of it is given by adj A. Adj is nothing but adjointment of A. This is the basic concept of minor and cofactor and adjointment of A. So tomorrow we are discussing about based on this concept how to find the minor, how to find the cofactor, and also how to find the adjointment of A. So I think everyone understanding. If any doubt is there, please ask the doubt. I will explain once again. So tomorrow we are discussing about the basic concept based on this definitions. Thank you all, dear students.